Hey there, night owls and dream chasers. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you're ready for another fantastic video. Today, we're going to dive into something we all do every night, sleep. But here's the question. Have you ever wondered why you sometimes struggle to get a good night's rest? Well, my friends, I have the answer for you. In today's video, we're going to talk about 5 activities you should avoid before going to bed. Trust me, this information will revolutionize your sleep routine and have you waking up refreshed and ready to conquer the world. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Imagine this. You've had a long, exhausting day. You finally crawl into bed, ready to drift off into dreamland. But wait! You reach for your phone and start scrolling through your social media feeds. One cute cat video turns into a rabbit hole of memes, and suddenly, hours have passed. Sound familiar? Activity number 1. Avoid excessive screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by our screens can disrupt our sleep patterns and make it harder for our minds to unwind. Instead, try reading a book, journaling, or engaging in a calming activity that signals to your brain it's time to relax. Now, let me set the scene. It's late at night, and you're settling in for the night. Suddenly, a craving hits you like a ton of bricks. Your eyes wander to the kitchen, and you can't resist indulging in a mouth-watering snack. What harm can it do, right? Activity number 2. Avoid eating heavy meals or sugary snacks before bed. While a light snack can be fine, consuming heavy or sugary foods can lead to discomfort, heartburn, and even nightmares. Opt for something light and nutritious, like a small handful of nuts or a banana, to satisfy those late-night cravings. Picture this. You're binge-watching your favorite TV series, totally engrossed in the storyline. One episode turns into 2, and before you know it, you've lost track of time. It's a real cliffhanger, but at what cost? Activity number 3. Avoid stimulating shows or movies before bed. Intense action scenes, suspenseful plot twists, and cliffhangers can leave your mind racing long after the credits roll. Instead, try watching something lighthearted or engaging in a calming activity like listening to soothing music or practicing meditation. Let's travel back in time for a moment. It's the era of dial-up internet, and you're waiting for a web page to load. You're growing impatient as seconds turn into minutes. We've come a long way since then, but our reliance on technology has only increased. Activity number 4. Avoid work or stressful activities before bed. Checking emails, tackling work assignments, or engaging in heated discussions can spike your stress levels, making it difficult to unwind and fall asleep peacefully. Instead, establish a relaxing pre-sleep routine, such as taking a warm bath or practicing gentle stretches. Finally, imagine this. You're tucked in bed, ready to embrace the night, when suddenly, your room turns into a discotheque. Bright lights and pulsating beats fill the air. The party has started, but your body is yearning for rest. Activity number 5. Avoid excessive noise and bright lights before bed. Loud music, honking cars, and glaring screens can disrupt your sleep environment, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Create a peaceful ambiance by using earplugs, wearing an eye mask, or playing relaxing sounds like rain or waves crashing. And there you have it, folks. 5 activities to avoid before going to bed. By steering clear of excessive screen time, heavy meals, stimulating shows, work-related tasks, and excessive noise and bright lights, you'll pave the way for a night of deep, restful sleep. Remember, sleep is the foundation of a healthy and productive life, so let's make it a priority. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, sleep tight, dream big, and take care. If you found this video informative and engaging, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more exciting content all about health, watch our other videos.